Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Railings. Having finished his scrutiny, he proceeded slowly down the path, or rather down the fringe of grass which flanked, keeping his eyes riveted upon the ground. Twice he stopped, and once I saw him smile and heard him utter an exclamation of satisfaction. There were many marks of footsteps upon the wet, clayey soil, but since the police had been coming and going over it, I was unable to see how my companion could hope to learn anything from it.
We need another scooter. I know. He's so fun to ride them together. You know, his license plate is dark as fuck. Because I flashed them. What's he doing? Look at his plate. What's his plate? What the? Back up, back up. Back up. Maybe two.
I don't know. When the games are on Saturday at 4 o'clock, we have to be there for 1:30.
This guy just totally just cut in my lane.
This is New Country, K99.1 FM.
You're still in my lane. You're still in my lane. Get on your side of the road. I've got a video camera right there. You see that, mother? I got a video camera right there. You asshole.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. All right.
Every time I walk around, smell the tree on my clothes. Lean on my a low and away changeup, not in the strike zone. Correa went down and got it. Sacks hit up. Yeah! Yeah!
Oh, man!
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.